Yo, I'm King Kong Kiwi. I'm going to go over some rope dart tech stuff for you, particularly to do with stuff between your legs. Quite enjoy stuff between the legs. Like I would recommend going on to Jim J. James's YouTube channel and checking out his rope dart theory video. A lot of this stuff I developed because of that video, because of the understandings I got from that video. So basically learning to count again when it comes to reps that you're doing with your legs. Anything that you do with your legs, it's like a positive one. There's like a positive one, so I'm going positive one from the outside of my right leg. To get back to 0 would be the position where I would shoot it out. 0 being the position where I shoot it out. So I would have to go under my leg again, but from the inside. A lot of beginners, they'll make the mistake of going the same way twice, boom, and they're at a positive score of 2, which then they go shoot it out. Oh, it doesn't work. So you have to go inside then outside, or outside then inside. Either way matters. Either way doesn't matter. But you have to remember to do the opposite way, the other way around. So outside, turn, however, inside, or inside, turn, outside. But once you're sort of getting the hang of that, you can start to stack them. So you could do one on your left leg, and then one on your right leg. Right? Or you could do 2 on your right leg. See that one there, I think I went outside, inside, inside, outside. Right? So I went under my leg twice the same direction at the start, in the middle. I like that sometimes, but you can start to mix and match like whole different ways. So for example, I could go on the outside of both of my legs to start. So I'm going to go outside, right leg, and I have to turn to change direction, and then go outside of my left leg. Now I'm in this real weird crisscross bit, and that's where I would catch it. Then you go under the inside of your left leg, and now all that's left is to go under the inside of your right leg. Yeah, it's like a longer one. You can also do a similar thing but with the inside. So I would go inside right leg, inside left leg. Now I'm in that weird crisscross bit again. So because I went with the last one that I did was my left leg, I'm going to finish that empty knot on my left leg and go outside left leg. So now I've got +1, -1 on my left leg, and I'm still at +1 on my right leg. So what I need to do is shoot it back out onto my right leg, and I started with the inside, so I can either, boom, shoot it out there, just under the outside of my right leg, or, let's start again, inside, inside, outside. What I can do is I can do a prodigal kick, which you would have seen before. Is when you do a prodigal kick, it pulls it back under the outside of my right leg. So if I do that again and release the knot this time, again, there it is. Make that look a lot smoother than that, but yep. Mixing and matching empty knots I really enjoy, especially when it comes to the legs. So you can sort of just flow between them. You can just get like 1.5 way through like 2 empty knots, and then like release the first one. So now you're at a positive number on one leg. So the empty knot sort of continues, but you're able to just flow between empty knots from one leg to the other, from one leg to the other, and it just sort of has a seamless fashion when it comes to a big flaming dart between your legs. And a bunch of different ways to do this, but yeah, that's how I enjoy to do it. What else? What have I not shown? Yeah, any kick. So you've also got like kick like this, right? That's from a score of +1 on your right leg, and then what you're doing, you're using your left leg to throw it through under the inside of your right leg. So it's +1, -1 there, and you can start to mix and match with everything. Do a +1, -1, turn, +1, -1, there, right? And it just makes everything look a little bit more complex, a little bit more flowy. Starts to help you like chain these empty knots a little bit. What have I not talked about? I don't know. Hopefully that's enough for now. If you need more, let me know. If you enjoyed this, heck yeah, cool, good for you.